This is Mir Imad. I'm the brand manager for Lamborghini Gold Coast, Parolo Motors. We just took delivery of our 2 Lamborghini Centenarios. They were put on crates, wooden crates, and they were air freighted over here. The Centenario is actually the most powerful V12 Lamborghini ever built.
My first, second, and third home didn't cost $2 million.
The car's 0 to 60 times are 2.8 seconds in the coupe, 2.9 seconds in the Roadster. Everybody's here, they got their cameras, they got their iPhones ready, they're checking it out, they're from all over. They wanted to experience this once-in-a-lifetime type of opportunity.
Mr. Perillo, half of Automobile Lamborghini, congratulations for the delivery of the first Centenario in Chicago.
Thank you, thank you. This is really a very, very big honor. My name is Joe Perillo, Gold Coast Lamborghini. And this is the new Centenario Roadster. They're only making 20 of these for the whole world. I'm the first dealer and the only dealer in the world to get 2. They start the motor up, the sound is sensational.
Just the insurance alone on this car is about $10,000.
They're cars that people don't need, they're cars that people want.
His design is like a fighter jet, so it doesn't flip over 200 miles an hour.
This is a Leonardo da Vinci.
It's 770 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Magnetic suspension, Lamborghini dynamic steering. So every little vent that you see actually serves a purpose. This duct actually helps in cooling of the car and also the downforce of the car too. You'll see a big radiator back there, so this is all for cooling of the car. These vents for the cooling of the rear brake system. The way the exhaust is designed is actually all for downforce, to redirect the air so the car does not flip over at over 200 miles an hour. The inside is completely unique, all new multimedia technology. It's got the track telemetry systems built in. Also the full center tunnel of the car is all exposed carbon fiber on the steering wheel. These are carbon ceramic brakes. So this car can go over 217 miles an hour. So they do have a lifting system, a hydraulic lifting system. The car rises about 2 inches off the ground.
The thing is, it'll do so much more than he'll ever do with this car. This car will drive faster than he'll ever drive it. This is their Academy Award.
834 North Rush, Lamborghini Gold Coast. Showroom's open every day. You can walk right in.